Okay. Welcome back to our live. Tayo daw na sa ating semi-final game ng ating 2014 Paya League Division. Sa mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming pong salamat. Good luck from both team. Let's go. Sino kaya ang unang papasok sa finals between these two team? Ayan. Pretty much to nung nakaraang palarong pambansa, if I'm not mistaken. But this time, mga new faces ang ating masasaksiyan. Let's go. Semi-final game between the Lourdes School QC versus De La Salle Green Hills. Let's go. Good luck. And God bless everyone. First ball makukuha ng LSQC. Mabulak. Pass number 24 to number 26. Pass to number 5. Fitted shot. Basket for number 5. Okay. There's a foul. La Salle Green Hills Basketball. Cruz. Ayun na ang double team. Oh! What a good defense para sa Lourdes QC. Na-trap doon si Loki. Bola ng Lourdes. Number 5. Number 8. No good. Steal by Jai. Pass to Cruz. Yao. Cross court pass to Jai. Abonita, sidestep. Joaquin miss, rebound ng LSQC. Number 5, number 24, number 7, Al Khalifa to number 5, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound Bayaw, pass na Bonita to Cruz. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Yao at the post. Take a shot, basket. And the first basket mula sa LSQ. Galing kay Yao. Al Khalifa. Bounce pass, number 8, basket. Abonita. Ayan na, ang double team. Naitawid di Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Joaquin. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ng LSQC. Number 24, Al Khalifa. Pass number 24, number 26. Kick out, number 5, jump shot, in and out. Up and under, gets a foul for Yao. Shooting the line, choosing number 26. That's Gab Dapat Napo. Shot no good. Second shot para kay Gab. Gab. No good. Rebound. Number 8. Miss. Makuha ni Yao. Pass to Cruz. Inagay sa corner. Block 5. Number 26. That's Gab. Number 24. Naitawid. Al Khalifa. Titus. To Gab. Pinasa sa gitna. Side step. Out of bound. Hindi ka na magawan. Analo steal. Number 24. Up and under. Miss. Rebound. Pajay. Abonita nagmamadali. Oy! There's a foul. Number 8. That's Celis. Daniel. Second shot, basket. (4-3) ang ating talaan. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Oh, another steal by Jai Abonita. Titus gets a foul. Correction, official score 6-4 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Pass to Buhay. Messina to Buhay. Ulrich. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Ayun na, double team. That's a blocking foul of LSQC. Jai. Pass to Cruz. And guys, sa corner, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to Buhay. Ulrich, nagmamadali. Binigay. Mabulak and one. Basket count and one for Mabulak. That's Kael Mabulak on the free throw area for a 3-point play. Tabla tayo sa 6. Basket for a 3-point play by Kael Mabulak. Abelion. Too strong. Sanchez, sidestep, no good. Rebound. Ayun na, si Matalang, out of bound. Lasal Green Hills basketball, last 3 minutes tayo. Cruz. Setting on the play, pass to Abonita. Jai. Binigay sa corner. Abelion, 4-3. That's a 3-point for Abelion. Out of bound. Ganda pinapakita dito ni Abelion. Jersey number 16. 9-7. Cruz, pass to Jai. Jai. Oh, steal. Ayun na, Titus Matalang all the way. Tabla tayo sa Siyam. Jai, pass to Sanchez. Sanchez umatake, too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ni Titus. Pass to Kael. To Ulrich. Buhay nagmamadali. Binigay. Pass to Gob. Pass to Buhay. Titus, sidestep. Oh, what a nice sidestep by Titus Manalang. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Out of bound. Same ball. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Official score is 11-9 with the time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Lasal, ating Lasal Green Hills. Back to the ball game. 11-9 in favor of Lourdes School of QC. Abelion looking for his teammate. Pass to Sanchez. Out the pass to Jai. Abonita, didiskarte. Pass to Cruz. Loki. To Jai. Fake. Jai. Floater. Miss. Rebound. Out of bound. Lourdes School Band. Lourdes School QC. Buhay. Pass to Magkala. Oh, steal. Here comes Jai. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola ng LSQC. Matalang. Oh, steal. naka-recover si Titus. Titus, dere-derecho, bounce pass. Kael Mabulak. Tira easy 2 points. Ayan na si Abonita. Jai. Oh, steal. Here comes Ulrich. Pass to Titus. Basket is good. Ayan na ang Lasal. Oh, there's a foul. Official timeout muna tayo. Time remaining, last 35 seconds. Peterson, brother. Kael. That's a travel. Oh, steal. What an extra pass. Number 5 and Lyselis. Walk in. Hand off to Abelion. 9 seconds to shoot. Bulacan, pass to Jai. Bulacan, fake. Jai, 4-3. Oh. Wala na po. Wala na. And that's the end of our first period. Official score 17-9 in favor of the Lourdes QC. Tayo dadako na po sa ating second quarter. Wilson, brother. Sa mga malaking bagay pa naman to para sa Lasal. Ang lang player na si Loki Cruz. Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Geraldine Del Rosario Munoz. Ayan, shoutout po pang Central Integrated. Back the ball game in second quarter. Let's go. Villegas to Sanchez. Pass to Bulacan. Cross-court pass. Teo Sanchez or 3, no good. Rebound by Bulacan, no good. Out of bound. Green ball. Let's go. Teo Villegas ang mag-inbound. Oh, steal. Number 11. Side step blocked by Jai. That's Ong. munti ka na magawan. Sayang Ong. Kael. Pass to Celis. Jump shot, Messina, no good. Or Medina rather. Ibaw ng Lasal, Green Hills. Abonita and one. Wow, what a nice move by Jai Abonita. Nakaupo sa ere. Parang tatay niya lang yun. Shout out kay Sir Boy Abonita. Bonus shot for Jai Abonita. First shot, no good. Rebound by Centeno. Short. Rebound ng LSQC. Ayan na, si number 1. Binigay. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Teo. Pass to Jai. Abonita di diskarte. Abonita. Pass to Centeno to Bulacan. 4-3. No good. Out of bound. Titus. Nabitawan. Pass number 1. Number 1. Binigay. Back pass nga lang. That's Aki Soriano. Bola rito ng Lasal. Villegas. Pass to Jai. Back to Teo. Teo. Binigay to Sanchez. Sanchez natapikan. Skill. By Gob. Buhay out that pass. Here comes number 8. In and out. Number 8. Get their own miss by Daniel Celis. Another steal by Gob. Gob atake. Oh! Basket count and 1 for Gob. That is Gob. Dapat na po on the free throw area for a 3-point play. Gob. Tingnan natin kung may papasok to ni Gob. No good. Pero makukuha niya. Binigay. Titus. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez nagmamadali. Here comes Joaquin. Joaquin pass to Jai. Ito na ang double team. Jai, pinasa sa corner. Bulacan, fake. Back to Jai. Jai atake, nabitawan. Ayan na. Kick out, Bulacan, 4-3. Wow! 3-point for Bulacan. Ayan na ang LSQ. Nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Daniel Celis naman sa kabila. Oh, there's a foul. By jersey number 7, that is Titus. Matalang. Bulacan, ayan na ang double team. Matatawagan ba? Steal. Aki Soriano. Oh, that's a step in on the line. Natawagan dito si Abelion. Bola rito ng Lourdes School QC. Here we go. Pass number 8. Celis miss. Number 26. No good. No good pa rin. Out of bound. But this time, mapupunta na sa Lasal. Green Hills. Abelion looking for his teammate. Kanina ibibigay kay Joaquin. Ayan na ang double team. Joaquin with the pressure. And that's a travel. Gab, pass to Aki. Another steal for Jai. Tumatakbo ang Lakasal. Jai dire-derecho. Pinasa. Block. Makuha ni Celis. Outlet pass. Makuha ni Jai. Here comes Jai. Jai, pass to Bulacan. Fake. Pinasa gitna. Joaquin. Up and under. Wala. Rebound by Gab. Gab. Buhay. Binigay. Kael. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Buhay. Buhay with a fake. Pinasa kay Daniel Celis. Gets the basket.
Go, Maggie!
Bad pass. Bonita. Pass to Bulacan. Pass to Jai. To Abelion. To Yao. That's a stepping on the line. Outlet pass. Gab. Bounce pass. Pass to Ong. Ong. I-discarte. Binigay. Tumira. Miss. Rebound. Ay Abelion. Pass to Jai. Jai nagmamadali. Floater. Miss. Rebound by number 26. Gab. Outlet pass. Steal by Abelion. Gets a foul by Ong. That's Ian Ong. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Yao gets the foul. 2 shots for Yao. Oh, good. Second shot for Yao. Wala. Opya, opya. Buhay, fake. Ulrich, pinasa sa loob. Titus, oh sorry. That's ace. Ong. Another steal. Pass to Buhay. Cross-court pass. Up and under. Kael. Mabulak. Uy, what a nice defense. Bulacan looking for his teammate. Remaining time, last 35 seconds. Steal. Ayun number 5, Celis. Daniel Celis. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Lourdes School QC. Jai. Pass to Abelion. Pass to Yao. Abelion. Block by Mabulak. Pass to Buhay. Buhay. Oh, sorry, that's Aki Soriano gets the foul. Ayaw. Wala na pong oras. May 2 shots pa. First shot para kay Aki Soriano. Second shot, basket, 2 for 2 for Aki. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score, 35-14. At magbabalik tayo for a second half. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.